Hey guys, the Just Gamer, and today I'm opening packs on here and building a squad at the same time. I have to take a player from every squad. This is just a pack thing. Is that Pogba? Fake Pogba. Huh. So yeah, so I'll open a pack. Every pack I have to take one player and put them into a team, and I've got to try and get 100 chemistry. So let's. My best pack was that. Messi in it. So that one, I didn't open that just now. But yeah, let's open the pack. Who are we gonna, Inform, that's quite good. Who's it gonna be? Anyone else? I don't really want to put him in my team. I've got to think as well, like, who will fit in. So let's take, who are we gonna take? By the way, I'm doing a 3-4-1-2 formation. So I think we're going to take this guy. How do you spell it? G-U-A-R. Yeah, so let's just quickly go on to here. I think we'll put him in here. G-U-A-R. I think it was that guy. Was he 80? Yeah, he was 81 rated. From Inter Milan. There he is. So we might play that side. So it looks like we're going for a thingy league. So let's go back onto the simulator. Next pack, let's open another one. Who are we gonna get? One vote? No. Oh, we're gonna do 11 packs. Yeah, and then we'll take one from every one of that. Helton. I think we're gonna have to take him because we need a goalie. Yeah, we'll put Helton in. So Helton's made it into the GK. Helton, 81 races, Brazil. Do they have Chem? No. So far we've got a Brazilian goalie. So hopefully we can get Thiago Silva. Yeah. David Luiz and Finis for defence. What's his name? Dani Alves for defence. Up front, I'm going to try and get someone big. So that's our team so far. Come on, next pack. Who are we going to get in this? Oh my god. Really? Oh, Argentinian. Do I have any Spanish centre backs? Mota. Oh! Danilo. I'm putting Danilo in because he's Brazilian and a CDM. So let's get him into the team. Where is he? I know he's Brazilian, is that him? I believe that is him. Oh my god, that's perfect. Centre back spot. Yes, I think that's him anyway. Yeah, they're probably, I don't know. We'll carry on. Who are we gonna get? Payet? Oh, nice bit of Payet. We preferably need a Brazilian. Oh my god, we got Danilo again. Twice in a row. Who could we take? I might take Dimitri Payet, but I might take Petit. Because if we get Dani Alves on the right side, he'll link. Because it doesn't say the team in this, but he'll link. So Petit is going in, is getting into the team. P-I-T-I. So let's just chuck him in there in the mixer. P-I-T-I. Spanish. He's on 4 cam. So we need a centre back that is Brazilian. From, I think he's Liga BVA. got a few more packs to do. Oh, I thought it frozen. I hadn't. Who's this going to be? Centre back, Portuguese, Alves. Oh, Brazilian centre back. We've got two. We're going to take one of them. Silver. We're going to take him. Don't forget, it's not about racing, it's about him. It wasn't that guy, it was a really crap guy. What rating was he? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Where is he? 77 rated. It'll probably be that guy. It's a picture though. Well, we can always swap those over there and get a Brazilian, whatever league that is, in there and try and go for the 100 can. 10 can, 10 can, 10 can, 7 and 4. So we need to get that guy up. We need Diego Costa or something like that. So let's go on here again. Next pack. Who are we gonna get? Ooh, please it is a Brazilian. Wow, we get another Brazilian goalie. Who should we take from there? I suppose we could take the Spanish left back and put him in on the other side. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to put him in, Sanchez, fake Sanchez. He's not the real Arsenal Sanchez. Look at his rating. Sanchez. So Sanchez is making it into the 70 back spot. What is going on with my phone? No. Please say the team's still there. Squad builder. No. My squad has gone. My squad. Where the hell is it? No. We're gonna have to restart. Oh my god. Do you know what? I'm not restarting. I'm just gonna build a 6 squad. Like the best squad you could probably split. So in goal, we're gonna put Team of the End Neuer. This has turned into a squad builder. Oh my god. Team of the End Neuer is in goal. Right, in centre back here, we're going to have a bit of Team of the Thiago Silva. Here, we're going to have to put a bit of Ramos. And then the other centre back side, it's got to be Boateng. The informed Boateng has made it into the team. And then CDM here, we're going to put Team of the Iniesta. Do you know what? We're going to stick at legs and we're going to go Lineker. Lineker. Oh, I've had a really good idea. Look at that, swap them two over. Because then I can put Gareth Bale on right mid. Oh, no, supposed to kick E. Inform Gareth Bale, making it into a right mid. we're gonna do the other CDM. I think we're gonna have Lam. 89 Lam in there. Get him in the mixer. Then we are also gonna have pick a Frank Oribori in right mid. We could stick another legend in there. You know what? We're going to stick another legend in there. Just to get Cam for Thiago Silva. And see, it's got to build the assist machine. Meza Ozil. Then up front. On left, we're going to have the one and only Vardy. 82, Jamie Vardy. Then on the other side, just for the banter, we're going to stick Pele in there. So we have 87 Chem. And this is the final team. Sorry about what happened to my other team. But yeah, there goes my dream team. Thanks for watching. Like,